Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my little museum. As you can see, this side of my room looks pretty good and complete. But behind me is this. I was so fed up of staring at this empty blank white wall, so it was time to give it a fresh new look. So today I'm finally painting my first wall mural. I've always wanted to do this. The first thing I did was watch a lot of mural works in search of good inspiration. And after hours and hours and hours of scrolling, I was so confused. There were so many directions this could go. Plus, I'll have to do so much work, digitally sketch all the details, set up the projector 4 different times, transfer all of it to the wall, do the sexy lines, paint all the details, record and edit all at the same time. But before I could even start this long process, I wanted a concept that fits just right. And then I had an idea. I started with measuring the walls to get a rough idea of what I was getting myself into, and oh boy, 12 feet by 10 feet, a pure white wall to spoil. This is going to be so much fun! Out of all the countless options that I saw, Milo instantly stood out as the most interesting and unique one. Plus, his style was a perfect match of complexity and simplicity. The maximalist inside of me was so happy. I mean, look at the amount of details. I decided that this was the artistic style I really wanted to learn. I almost forgot the main ingredient. Let's play the right music to keep the inspiration flowing. Since I'm covering both the walls, I'll have to split the artwork in two, and I decided to go with 4 characters with good amount of spacing. And once I had a rough understandings of the sizes I wanted, I used a 30-degree grid to make my base. With the first character, I wanted to show the favorite memory of my childhood, going to the zoo at least once a month. I would just stand there and observe the animals for hours. The second one was also for the child inside of me who always dreamed of going to space and one day landing on Mars. By the third character, I had figured out my overall theme. So next, I picked 2 things from my childhood: a tiny green MP3 player, my first introduction to music, and something I always wished for in my playground but never had: Legos. Raindrops on the window pane, memories of paper boats in the rain, folding and shaping with care, a childhood joy beyond compare. Each fold a step of pure delight, as dreams of adventure took flight. A little boat, a tiny sail, a world of wonder to unveil. Now a mural on the wall, a tribute to childhood standing tall. Memory of paper boats in the rain, etched forever, free from pain.
That's how the mural work started.
So, this was last 4 weeks of my life. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, time for the review.